Now that is our daughter's bedroom. That's the bedroom we're working on right now. And I've been thinking about this over the last week, and I've decided to remove the window. I was gonna leave it, I was gonna not touch it, save money, just keep it in place. I can't. I just can't bring myself to doing it. We are gonna save the window for a future project, but I don't want it in that bedroom. So before I paint, before I get the room pretty, I'm gonna remove that window and prep the opening for a new window so that it's ready. Because it'll be easier to do it now while we can do the rough work than when the room is all finished. So, this window is going. Well, the window came out okay, and now I'm rebuilding the sill because it was just all rotted and unlevel. So far, all I did was cut this a little bit lower, cut it flat, and I added these two cripple studs. These weren't here, and they really should be, so I put those in. And now I'm getting ready. What? To fit my sill. We'll check it for level. Now you probably can't see it, but when I was cutting that, I kept the blade at a slight angle so that my siding was being cut down away from the window, and that way when I put my sill pan in and tape and flashing and all that, I can slope it out easier, and I know that there's going to be nothing to hold water in. So I just have a slight slope on that siding. Well guys, so now I'm going to build out a new header. There's not really a header above this window, but we're going to frame out the new opening. Nails into my way. I'll get it. I think it's up all the way. That works. So after getting this window pulled out, I ended up putting a piece of tarp over it from the outside so it's sealed up from the elements, and now we're just going to wait until we can get a window for that. And we're going to keep working on this bedroom in the meantime. So the window reframing went successfully. So now we tried making the window bigger because that's the whole goal here. We have it open, might as well expand it. The problem is we didn't want to tear into the wall framing, so we have to work within the existing opening the best we could, which means we could only go higher or lower. And we moved it both ways a little bit. in the end, we've only gained about 4 extra inches of height, but that 4 inches makes a big difference. And I think it's going to make even bigger difference when we get the new window, because the old windows were very ill-fitting. There was a lot of wood and there was a lot of space around it. They were really far gapped from the framing. The new windows are going to be a lot tighter to the framing, so we're going to gain some good light in that room, I think, without any major framing, without tearing down the walls. I think we just found the best balance. And also, going wider makes a small room less usable, because we actually want to put some furniture in there, and we need the wall space for it.
Yeah.
So we're happy with what we got out of that. All right, Maverick, we have a special job to do today, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
The other day, we set up our new raised bed gardens. Now, we're ready to start planting. And Maverick has something special that he's been wanting for a long time. What kind of garden do you want?
Strawberry.
Strawberry garden.
The best one.
He's been waiting for strawberries for how long?
Forever.
Forever. So, we said, okay, we can make that happen. We're going to give Maverick his own strawberry bed.
This is the one that I'm gonna plant them in. This is the best day ever.
And this is the one that he helped fill the most. He filled a lot. A third?
Yeah, about this size, about this much.
Yeah.
About really high.
Yeah, so this is his bed. And the other day we were out and we got him strawberries. We found 2 different varieties. This one was kind of surprising because it has pink flowers, red flowers. This has the regular white flower.
Let's see if it'll fit. Go a little bit more. Okay, now tip it up, upside down, and take it out.
Good job. That looks good. And as long as you keep it so that this is not covered with soil. Yep. Good job.
Cool.
You planted your first strawberry.
Cool.
Yeah, this first one. Oh.
It's all right.
Is that deep enough?
No. Oh.
And guys, that's a new wallen can.
Yeah. We just got this.
What day was it? I forgot.
Yesterday.
Oh, it looks like our water's good.
Yeah. Cool.
When I built this water heater utility closet back here, I bought some extra siding panels, and they're still sitting here in the way on the porch, not being used for weeks now. So it's time to put them to use, because I have a feeling our windows will finally be in very soon. We want to make sure that we can get them installed. So what I want to do is hopefully install those 3 pieces of siding right on this wall right here. Now, I was trying to hold off on installing the siding in here until I finished the ceiling, just so I didn't have to worry about making a mess on it, but this will work fine. We'll just cover it with some paper when we do the ceiling to protect it. I'm going to start the installation by installing this house wrap. Now we are on a covered porch and this wall will never see water, but it's a technicality. We have to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out the washing machine over here so that I can get into that corner and get this paper up, and then we'll get those panels installed. They should make handles on these things.
Loud.
I know the hand stapler wasn't putting them in. I probably should have marked where my studs were before covering everything up, just so I can keep track of it easier. I'm going to try to line my panels up so I can nail into the studs, but it's not a big deal because the plywood back here is also suitable to nail our siding panels too. So even if I don't hit the studs, it's not a big deal. I mean, tall enough. As long as we don't break our new ceiling lights,
That would be nice.
that'll make me happy. How do you get this turned around in here? So we got 2 panels done. It's looking good. It's going quick. We're in the last panel. We have a little piece after that.
Hey,
Look how good this looks. I'm liking this a lot better than I thought I would. I mean, I was fine with it, but I like looking out this door and seeing all of the vertical lines. Let me get out of the way so you can see them. That's why we're doing wood walls in our house, because it's not drywall and they're interesting. And even though this was cheating a little with the smart side, it still looks cool. I really like that. And what's really cool is that when we bought that siding, it had some dents on it. It was on the side, so the tongues and grooves were kind of damaged. And there was a lot of like filth on them because of whatever. There was like bug nests in between them. So they gave us 10% off. It's a little discount, but it's better than nothing. So it all worked out, right?
yeah.
So we're still making progress, and we've been getting a lot done. And it feels good to be getting stuff done just so much at once, and it doesn't even feel overwhelming. We're just making good progress. We have a lot of cool things coming. We were told that our windows that we ordered back in November for this room that we're standing in, we got 4 big windows. Well, we were told that they were being shipped. They were in transit.
Finally.
So that's kind of the motivation for this final project here of getting this siding on the wall, because like I said, we have to get that window opening ready. Now we're there. We just got to throw some house wrap on that wall and it'll be ready for the window. It's going to be awesome to get these windows opened up and see outside. I guess that's all we have for now. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.
See ya.
Bye.